Hey guys, Jacob from Trucks and Toys. What we've got beside us today is a TRX. We've got one here and on the hoist as well. So we'll start on this one. Now it is running the ADD Stealth bar. So these are a full steel bar. With the Stealth bar, you do have the provision underneath for a winch if you want to add that. They do run a 40-inch curved wheel on the Baja light bar. Now, this truck is running our hidden LP6 behind the Grille kit. So this is a DIY kit if you want to give it a crack. Now, these are just plastic fascias, so these don't really do anything on a TRX. What we do is we have a pattern we trim out. The LP6 is going behind in our bracket kit and allows light through the grille. And also with the amber backlights, ties in with all the factory TRX lights. Now, being this was an ASV TRX, they didn't come with the amber daylight running lights connected. So we have gone and repinned them and the daylight running lights just to give it that TRX look, which looks really cool coming towards you at night. Now on this, we are running our TRX airbag assist in the rear as he does plan to tow or chuck a bit of weight in the back. Now I'll just pop the bonnet and show you. Part of this kit is also the washer bottle relocation. So on these trucks, the washer bottle is hidden behind the grille on the passenger side, which is normally located just there. With our kit, we do have a new bottle and a new stainless bracket that bolts in that you do run your washer bottle and retain all your factory features. So we'll have a look at this one on the hoist over here. So this one on the hoist over here is getting the bomber front bar. So you can see it's on the stand, it's probably a little bit hard to see, but it runs the 3 LP6s. Now he is also getting the hidden LP6 grille kit, which you'll see up here, mounts on our bracket, just behind the grille. Really clean and classy way to get driving lights. We are doing the lift kit on this, as well as the diff drop, as well as a heap of other features. So this one does have a sports bar with lights. It's getting the airbags and a sway bar in the rear. So if you're in the market for a TRX or any accessories or parts, give us a buzz. We've got plenty of options these days for these trucks.